is real. She told me she's got thunder thighs because they're made of rolling hills. And as she walked away, I noticed that her hair resembled waves. It was too much for me to take. So I looked into her face, there was a place of pearly gates. I said, how can this be? She said, baby, don't you know, Mother Nature is in love with me. They don't know what is love, walking around like savages in London. Yes, they are. I think her body's body can transcend dimensions, but still she calls me like a lady of the night, and she loves me like a wife. Even after I forget my words like Goldstein, with the bare minimum of what is dream, they can't deny